Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making one of my favorite comfort meals, Chinese green bean rice, all cooked in one pot.
Just look at this glossy rice. Every grain soaked with flavor, so homey, so satisfying.
Let's prepare our ingredients.
I've got some fresh green beans here. Just snap or cut them into small pieces. 1 potato, dice it up. 4 cloves of garlic, smashed. And 3 pieces of ginger. And of course a little pork belly, slice it thin. I soaked the rice for around 2 hours, just until the grains breaks easily when you pinch it.
Since every rice is different, don't stress the time. If you are unsure, soaking a little longer is totally fine. Alright, everything's ready, let's start cooking.
No need to add oil, put the pork belly straight into the wok, and let the fat slowly render out. Then add the ginger and the garlic, and fry until fragrant. Now add the green beans and the potatoes. Turn the heat to high and really give it a good stir fry. The beans should turn bright green. Add 1 tablespoon soybean paste, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. Mix well. Then season with 1 teaspoon Chinese 13 spice, 1 teaspoon salt. Stir everything together. Then flat the vegetables gently across the bottom of the wok. Turn off the heat. Spread the soaked rice right on top of the vegetables. Don't let any rice touch the edges of the wok or it will burn. Poke a few holes in rice with chopsticks. Now pour in 150 milliliters water. Cover the lid, turn the heat to low and let it steam for 10 minutes. Let's take a look. Wow, smells amazing. The rice is fluffy and has soaked up all that savory sauce. It's ready to eat.
Let me try a bite. Oh, that flavor. The rice is so fragrant. The beans and the potatoes are so soft, and everything tastes like it's been slowly cooked together. You've got to try this at home. One pot, simple and unbelievably good. Thanks for watching. See you next time.